Hi, this is King of Review. Sean throws a coin into a well to make a wish. If this action is shown by the formula y equals negative 5x squared plus 14x plus 7, what is the maximum it reaches in meters? So let's think about this. The path that the coin travels will look something like this. And this is a parabola. So if we were to plot the parabola on a coordinate plane, we have our x-axis and our y-axis. The y represents the height of the coin, and x here is the time. So since this is a parabola, parabolas have something called an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line passing through the turning point of the graph. A parabola also has something on it called a vertex. The vertex is a point, it has the x and y coordinate of it, and you could see here the vertex is the uppermost point of this graph. So it's the highest most point, or the maximum point. So if we were to look at the y value of this vertex point, this would represent the maximum height that the coin reaches, the maximum height. And the x value, right here, this would represent the time that the coin reaches this maximum height. So we want to find out what this y coordinate is of the vertex, which is the maximum height of the coin. Now this axis of symmetry, which passes through the vertex, has an equation to solve for x, the x coordinate. It's x equals negative b over 2a. This is the equation for the axis of symmetry, and the axis of symmetry also represents the x coordinate of the vertex. So let's do that. If we have our equation here, y equals negative 5x squared plus 14x plus 7, this is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The axis of symmetry equation here has the a and b values, and those come from these numbers here. So on our equation, a equals negative 5, b equals 14, and c equals 7. So for the axis of symmetry, we have x equals negative 14 over 2 times negative 5. This equals negative 14 over 10, and this gives us over negative 10. And this gives us an answer of 1.4. So 1.4 here, this represents the x coordinate of the vertex, which is also the time it takes for the coin to reach the maximum height. Now we need to find what this y coordinate is of the vertex. We know our formula here, so let's plug in this x value into our formula. So we have f of 1.4. This equals negative 5 times 1.4 squared plus 14 times 1.4 plus 7. And this equals 16.8. So 16.8 is the y coordinate of the vertex, and it also represents the maximum height that the coin reaches. So 16.8 meters, letter A, is correct. Thanks for watching.